Yo, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own node RPC. In this way, you can have faster transactions and also all your transactions gonna be MEV protected, which is great. As you know, Axiom Pro allows you to set up your own private RPC. Definitely check it out, link in the video description. You can click on the settings and in here you can paste your RPC. Keep that in mind, you don't have to enable MEV protection because all RPCs that I'm going to show you in this video are MEV protected. You don't have to enable this option. Also, you may want to use, for example, Jupiter or some other exchanges. You can actually set up your RPC in your own wallet as well. Unfortunately, Phantom Wallet doesn't support private RPCs, but you can actually install Backpack, which is a very famous Solana wallet. Usually developers use this wallet. Just install it. And on the settings, let me actually open this. Just click on settings. First, go to preferences and make sure developer mode is enabled. And then click on Solana. In here, RPC connection. Click on custom, and in here you have to paste your own RPC. Now let me show you how you can find these RPCs or how you can buy them. One of the services that you can use is Leo RPC. They have a very affordable plan. Just click on check premium. You can actually pay with Ethereum. There's no credit card needed. And as you can see, for all packages, the MEV protection is enabled, even for the free one. You can actually test it out with the free version. You don't have to pay for it. As you can see on the common one, you can send up to 3 requests per second. For each trade, you send 1 request. So each second, you can have 3 trades. And you can see the difference in here. The important thing is the common one, the RPCs are quite public, everyone can see them. So definitely the rare one is better if you pay for that. They are not available for many people. But for this video, I'm going to use the free version. Don't expect some insane speed by using the free or even $4 RPCs. Some private nodes, some good ones cost thousands of dollars. But the good thing about these RPCs is actually they are MEV protected. In here, you can see different chains. Just copy Solana and, go to Axiom, click on settings and paste it in here. You don't have to enable MEV reduction. You can see my fee settings in here. The priority is 0.001, which is quite low. Let's click on continue. Before I test it out, I have to mention there are many other services like QuickNode, Alchemy, and many others. Those brands are more famous, but they are more expensive. However, all of them usually offer free plan and you can use them for free. Let's actually go to discover section and just click on one of these tokens. For example, this one. I want to buy a very small amount. Let's click on buy. I bought the token and let's sell that. Okay, I sold the token. This was the speed. As you can see, the speed is not something very exceptional, but it's MEV protected, which is great. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.